Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Right answer is option C, 157th rank. Which district is said to become India's first biohappy district? Right answer is option B, KE Panyor, Arunachal Pradesh. Who was selected for the 60th Gnanpith Award announced in March 2026? Right answer is option B, R. Vairamuthu. India's first quantum computing facility was scheduled to be launched in April 2026 in which city? Correct answer is option C, Amravati. Which became India's 18th railway zone in May 2026? Right answer is option A, South Coast Railway. Who attended the inaugural session of the 11th Raisina Dialogue 2026 in New Delhi as the chief guest? Right answer is option B, Alexander Stubb. Which franchise secured the Women's Premier League 2026 championship title? Right answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Sondela village, which recently declared itself caste free, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Who won the International Booker Prize 2026 for the novel Taiwan Travelogue? Right answer is option B, Yang Shong So and Linking. Which country announced its withdrawal from OPEC and the OPEC Plus alliance effective from 1st May 2026? Right answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. Who has been selected to receive the Abel Prize 2026, often regarded as the Nobel Prize of Mathematics? Correct answer is option B, Gerd Faltings. India's rank in Global Happiness Index 2026 is reported as which of the following? Right answer is option D, 116th rank. Who was named the new Chief Minister of Karnataka in May 2026? Right answer is option B, DK Shivkumar. The Fink River, recognized as the world's oldest surviving river system, is located in which country? Right answer is option B, Australia. The 24th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2026 was conducted in May 2026 between India and which country? Right answer is option A, France. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma renamed which city as Abu Raj? Right answer is option B, Mount Abu. Who was appointed as the new vice chairperson of Niti Aayog in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Which launch vehicle was used for ISRO's first unsuccessful mission of the year in January 2026, resulting in the loss of 16 satellites? Right answer is option D, PSLV C-62. Who inaugurated the first India AI Impact Summit held in New Delhi in February 2026? Right answer is option D, PM Narendra Modi. India's first 24/7 LPG ATM has been launched by Bharat Petroleum Corporation at which location? Right answer is option B, Gurugram, Haryana. The legendary singer Asha Bhosle, known as the Voice of the Nation, was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in which year? Right answer is option C, 2008. Which state tableau won Republic Day Parade 2026 first prize? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who became India's new education minister following the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan? Correct answer is option A, Pralhad Joshi. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first hydrogen powered train, Namo Green Rail, in July 2026? Correct answer is option B, Jind, Haryana. Who was appointed as the new director of the Intelligence Bureau in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, Mahesh Dikshit. What is India's ranking in the Corruption Perception Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 91st rank. Jammu and Kashmir defeated which team to win the Ranji Trophy 2025-26 final? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. In which state is the Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary declared India's 100th Ramsar site in June 2026 located? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. On which date is National Youth Day celebrated in India? Right answer is option C, 12th January. Which team won the Tata Indian Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. In Feb 2026, the Union Cabinet approved changing the official name of Kerala to what? Correct answer is option A, Keralam. Who has been entrusted by the central government with the additional charge of Chairman of DRDO and Secretary Department of Defense Research and Development? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Singh. India's first musical road was inaugurated in which city? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Which mission did India launch to evacuate its citizens stranded in Venezuela following the devastating earthquake in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Operation Amistad. Who won the Stockholm Water Prize 2026? Right answer is option B, Kaveh Madani. Who won the men's singles title at the French Open Tennis Grand Slam 2026? Right answer is option C, Alexander Zverev. In April 2026, between India and which country was the joint military exercise Dust Lake 2026 conducted? Correct answer is option B, Uzbekistan. Which country became the 27th member of the International Big Cat Alliance in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Bangladesh. Which state finished at the top of the medal tally in the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Which country won the Thomas Cup 2026 badminton title in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, China. Who was appointed as the National Brand Ambassador for Census 2027 by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs? Correct answer is option D, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 2026? Correct answer is option C, C. Joseph Vijay. In May 2026, between India and which country was the second edition of the bilateral military exercise Sinbax 12 conducted? Right answer is option B, Cambodia. Who is the author of the memoir titled The Second Orbit Belief of a Man Dreams of 1.4 Billion Hearts, published by Penguin Random House India? Right answer is option A, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which state became India's first state with a completely paperless judiciary in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Sikkim. Which rank did India secure among 163 countries in the Global Peace Index 2026 released in June 2026? Right answer is option B, 127th rank. Which country officially became the 10th member of the New Development Bank in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Uzbekistan. Which state became India's first fully literate state under the Ullas initiative in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. According to the 67th edition of the Top 500 list released in June 2026, which supercomputer became the world's most powerful? Correct answer is option C, Lineshan, China. Which state launched the Thaimaman Tangamotiram Thittam scheme to provide a 1 gram gold ring to all newborns delivered in government hospitals? Right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.